Looking to make healthy eating easier and more fun? A vegetable spiralizer is the perfect kitchen tool to turn everyday veggies into delicious, low-carb noodles in minutes. Whether you're preparing zoodles, curly fries, or fresh salad toppers, these gadgets save time and boost creativity. From electric models to handheld slicers, there's a spiralizer for every need and budget. In this guide, we'll share the top picks to help you find the best spiralizer for your kitchen. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Spiralizer. Make nutritious eating fun and effortless with the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Spiralizer. Whether you're cutting carbs or just love veggie noodles, this spiralizer quickly transforms vegetables into spaghetti, linguine, or ribbons using its 3 interchangeable cutting cones. The large 6-cup capacity bowl is perfect for family meals, while the wide 2.5-inch chute allows you to spiralize whole zucchinis, cucumbers, or squash, no pre-cutting needed. This electric zoodle maker takes the hassle out of food prep with a motorized system and metal food grip for secure, even slicing. Just push the produce in and let the machine do the work, no manual cranking required. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe removable parts and an included cleaning brush. Sleek and compact in black, it's the perfect tool to make low-carb meals fast, fresh, and fun. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Tabletop Spiralizer. Turn fruits and vegetables into beautiful spirals in seconds with the OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Tabletop Spiralizer. Perfect for making curly fries, fresh salads, and decorative garnishes, this versatile tool features 3 stainless steel blades for spaghetti, 1/8, fettuccine, 1/4, and wide ribbon cuts. Its food holder with sharp teeth grips produce securely for smooth, consistent slicing. The rotating handle makes spiralizing easy, while the side handle steadily advances food through the blade. A strong-hold suction base keeps the spiralizer firmly in place for safe, stable use on countertops. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts, and the removable blade box keeps everything organized and protected when not in use. Designed for performance and storage-friendly convenience, the OXO Spiralizer is a must-have for healthy, creative cooking. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Handheld Spiralizer. Add a healthy twist to your meals with the OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Handheld Spiralizer. This compact tool effortlessly creates uniform vegetable noodles in 3 styles: spaghetti, 1/8, fettuccine, 1/4, and wide ribbon cuts, thanks to its color-coded stainless steel blades for easy identification. The open design fits both long and round vegetables like zucchini, carrots, while the non-slip grip ensures a firm, comfortable hold. A protective food holder not only keeps your hands safe while spiralizing but also doubles as a storage cap. Perfect for low-carb dishes, salads, and garnishes, this handheld spiralizer is ideal for quick meals and smaller kitchens. Lightweight yet durable, it's also recommended by Cooks Illustrated for its performance and ease of use. Number 2. Veggetti Dualblade Vegetable Spiralizer. Enjoy healthy, low-carb meals in minutes with the Veggetti Veggie Slicer. This compact and easy-to-use spiralizer turns your favorite vegetables, like zucchini, squash, carrots, and cucumbers, into delicious noodle alternatives. With just a simple twist, you can create fresh veggie spaghetti, stir-fries, and salads with ease. Equipped with dual stainless steel blades, the Veggetti offers 2 noodle options, thick or thin, giving you versatility for any recipe. Its spiked vegetable holder ensures a firm grip, especially when your veggies get shorter, making spiralizing safe and effortless. Made from durable white plastic and designed for everyday use, this handy kitchen gadget is a must-have for healthier cooking. Whether you're cutting carbs, the Veggetti is a simple, budget-friendly solution. The rust-resistant blades ensure crisp, clean cuts every time, while the soft grip handle and non-slip rubberized base provide total control and stability. Its built-in catch tray eliminates mess, keeping your counters clean and saving you time. Best of all, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home chef, the Fullstar chopper is a kitchen essential for quick, healthy meal. Durable, compact, and easy to use, this gadget truly does it all. Number 1. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper Spiralizer. Revolutionize your kitchen routine with the Fullstar 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer, the viral sensation making waves for a reason. Designed for speed, safety, and simplicity, this all-in-one tool helps you chop, slice, dice, and spiralize vegetables like a pro in seconds. Equipped with ultra-sharp 420 stainless steel blades, it handles everything from potatoes and cucumbers to tomatoes and carrots with ease. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing reviews. Check the links in the description to find your favorite products. Your support helps us at no extra cost to you. See you in the next video. Stay awesome and take care.